Hey, Tyson Graham here. Welcome to Taxes in Magento. We're going to talk all about taxes and getting it set up the right way. Let's get started. So what about tax setup in Magento? Well, Magento provides a variety of options for defining taxes that can be accessed by selecting the Sales menu and then the Tax option. Tax classes are used to define tax rules. Tax rules are defined as a combination of a product class, a customer class, and a tax zone and rate. Each type of customer can be assigned a class when you define them, and each product is assigned a tax class. Make sense? Good deal. Magento analyzes the shopping cart of each customer and calculates the appropriate tax according to the class of the customer, the class of the products in the shopping cart, and the region as defined by the customer's shipping address, billing address, or shipping origin. Magento also supports the calculation of the value-added tax, or the good old VAT, for business-to-business transactions in the European Union. So if you're over in Europe and you have to account for this, Magento will facilitate that and make it easy on you. So that's good news. Product tax class. Let's talk about it. You create product tax classes and assign products to them depending on the type of product. For example, food might not be taxed or might be taxed at a different rate. What about customer tax class? Well, you create a customer tax class and assign customers to them depending on the type of customer. For example, in some jurisdictions, wholesale transactions are not taxed, but retail transactions are. So, how about tax zones and rates? Very important. Tax rates are generally applicable to transactions that take place in specific geographical areas. Now, tax zones and rates feature enables you to specify the tax rate for each geographical area for which you collect and remit taxes. Because you give each tax zone and rate specification a unique identifier, you can have multiple tax rates for a given geographical area. For example, for places that do not tax food or medicine but tax other products, you can set that up. What about tax management rules? Tax management rules put all the taxation elements together. You have products tax classes, customer tax classes, and tax zones and rates. So all of those critical components work together to allow you to manage your taxes based on product tax classes. So if you have something unique based on the product you are selling, that's going to change your fiscal requirements. Or based on the customer, whether it be wholesale or retail, if that changes things for you, you can manage it that way. And tax zones and rates allow you to use geographical regions and cater to their unique specifications. So those combined together is going to be how you navigate your tax management in Magento, and it's great that you have all of those different ways to manage things because your scenarios are going to vary in a worldwide marketplace with your Magento store. So it's all there to help you deal with those different scenarios. So that is the quick rundown of how taxes work inside of Magento. My name is Tyson Graham. Enjoy making the video for you. Thanks for tuning into this training. There's going to be more coming along, and I am going to give you my email right now, tyson@mediotype.com. That's going to allow you to send me an email if you have any trouble setting up your taxes or anything else on your Magento store. I would love to help you out. If you just want to say hello, let me know how your business is going, give me a ring/email over at tyson@mediotype.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.